hard not to play kasi ito naman yung support ng crowd namin. From bata hanggang mga estudyante, mga alumni, lahat nagsusupport here live and online. So it's a big thing for our community. So hindi pwede basta-basta bumigay. So expect it to be this energetic, this important to the community.